So I personally have not always been a UGA fan, but my mom has been a huge fan for her entire life. And so she was so excited when I decided to go here. And she obviously had a huge part in picking everything out. Like, I could not do this by myself. I don't have that kind of talent. So I just really wanted to create a room that I felt everybody could love. And if you have a room that's more kind of a neutral style, then everybody's gonna wanna hang out here. Everybody's gonna wanna have fun here. And I also just wanted to create a room that kind of like felt as close to home as I could get, really. You know, guys don't really go as hard for the rooms as girls do. But I mean, I'm actually kind of proud of that. Like, that's kind of impressive to me, so.